Installing the fog light doesn't always mean you need to see a mechanic. If you have the basic knowledge, you can do it by yourself. But yeah, if you don't, then don't take the risk, see a mechanic, he'll do it properly. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Maddog fog lights that I recently bought for my Super Meteor 650. So the first installation step is to remove the seat, the tank and the headlight so that we can expose the wiring. Once the wiring is exposed, we have to move on to the installation process. So let's get started.
The main harness wire. This goes to the battery terminal, positive and negative. I will show you in a while. Then this has 3 wires. Each one goes to the fog light. One for each fog light. I have wired it this actually coupler to coupler. So I have wired it like this. Here, it's the coupler for the left one, and it's the coupler for the one. Then we have the third wire. This wire we have taken it from here, and this has 2 separations. One white wire, which is this wire. This goes to the ignition circuit. This is the ignition plug, and I will show you removing the tape. It goes here. This is the second fog light wire also. I have actually 2 JG1 smaller, and this is the second wire, and this is the Maddog wire, and the wire goes to this dimmer switch. So this is the dimmer switch, and I have attached this through the Allen key, and this wire is going from here. It connects here. This is the connection for this one. See, the third wire, that is this one, middle one, that comes from the front of the handle to this dimmer coupler, and the another white wire, which is this goes from the hose, if you can see, from the back panel into the ignition. So this is the ignition coupler, and see how we have added the wires like this. We will connect it. Okay. Like this. And then we will tape it properly. So after connecting this, we will switch the ignition on. We will test it. Okay, and then we will off the ignition. It's okay. So wiring is complete. Now we'll have to pack it up. First we'll have to tape it. So let me tape it with the black electric tape. I taped it like this. I taped it like this. It's sealed up. Now we will screw it again, the headlight, this, and then we are good to go. So this is the main wire, and it comes here to this panel. Here is the battery, and it's connected like this. The black one is connected to the negative, and the white one goes to the positive section. It's, you guys can see there. Yeah. Lights.
So this is the stock fog light throw. So this is the stock headlight throw. Then we can start the fog light. Now you can see it's very nice throw. You can see here. This is the 100% of the dimmer. You can see the switch, looks cool. See the switch here, and then let's check the dimmer. Now it's off and it's on. Then this is 50%, sorry, 75%. This one is 50%. And this is 25%. This is with the yellow filter. And let's check the dimming. This is 75%, then 50%, then 25%. Thanks for watching till the end. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit a like, share and subscribe. And also, if you have any queries, write it down in the comment section and I will try to answer them. See you in the next one.